Just peek at those wallet stats for a second. Ever catch yourself thinking, how do I even grab a tiny chunk of that? No worries, I got you. I'm about to walk you through a step-by-step method to cleanly rug a token and walk away with solid gains. We're diving straight into the full strategy in a second, but first, don't even think about launching on Pump Fun. That's just a fast way to fumble your bag. This is your shot to do it properly and pull in some massive profits. Go to Photon, set the filter to Pump Fun Dex, and you'll see meme coins popping up nonstop. Names like Ego and Merp keep showing up, but they vanish just as fast. The truth is, Pump Fun is way too flooded. Anyone with a wallet can drop a token there. Now that we've switched the filter to Radium, take a look. There's way less traffic here. In a full 5-minute window, just 5 coins showed up. And the hype? Off the charts. Just glance at those market cap numbers. They're way higher than anything on Pump Fun. The catch? Radium needs actual coding to launch, so weak projects don't even make it through. That's exactly why we're using it. Let me show you how this works. So I stumbled across Launch Tool recently, and I've got to say, this thing is a straight-up gem. It's actually wild. You can launch tokens on Radium without touching a line of code, which makes it perfect if you're new. Just a few taps, and you're live. I've been using it like a cash machine for the past month, and somehow it's still printing like crazy. I've already grabbed a cool-looking logo off Google for this token. You guys know I've got a soft spot for dog-themed coins. So now, open Canva, resize the image to 128 by 128 pixels, tweak whatever you feel like tweaking, and save it. Easy work, goes down like melted butter. First step, go straight to Launch Tool. Fill out the coin details carefully. For mine, I'm going with the name This is FINEDOG and setting the symbol to FINEDOG. When it comes to the description, throw in something funny that fits your token vibe. I'm using the coin that stays calm while everything else burns. Upload that logo you made earlier, then hit Next. Now you'll land on the tokenomics page. To be honest, everything's already preset the way we need. And yep, we're definitely going to need that full 1 billion supply later on. Alright, go ahead and click Next again. Now we're looking at the creator info section. Thing is, it asks for 0.1 Sol if you decide to change anything. I'll be honest with you, not worth the spend. I usually just disable it and hit skip. You'll see an option to add your social media links now. But honestly, I never bother with that part either. Let's keep moving forward. We're about to hit a key section here. Listen closely. If you mess with any of these switches, you're basically asking to lose. Wondering why? Here's the breakdown. Disabling Revoke Freeze lets you shut down trading at any time. Revoke Mint means you can create more coins whenever you want. And Revoke Update lets you change the token's details whenever. If buyers see that even one of these is turned off, you'll instantly lose their trust. And with that, any hope of getting buy orders. Don't change anything here. Just hit that Launch My Token button. In a few seconds, your wallet will pop up on screen. Go ahead and confirm the transaction like usual. Yup, it's literally that easy. Now you can view all the main details about your token. I'm going to check if it's live on SolScan real quick. And yep, it's officially deployed on chain. But here's the catch. It's not tradable just yet. We still need to make that happen. Head back to Launch Tool and click Create Liquidity Pool. That'll take you right into Radium. Start by connecting your wallet here. Then you'll need to set your meme coin as the base token. Just click the token slot, open Launch Tool, grab the contract address, and paste it into the field under Select the Token. After that, fill in your token's info. For mine, I'm typing FINEDOG in the symbol box, and this is FINEDOG in the name box. Then just click Add User Token. Go ahead and input 900 million, typical amount out of the 1 billion total supply for meme coins. Set Solana as your quote token here. What's happening now is you're basically buying your own coin first, so feel free to click max. There's zero risk of losing anything. Just remember to subtract 0.2 SOL from the total to cover the fee. And if you're wondering why, Radium charges that creation fee, and they even highlight it in yellow. For the fee tier, select 2%. Once that's done, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm the prompt. And just like that, your coin is live and ready to trade. Head over to Photon, and you'll see our token listed there, nice and clear. Now that we've got that confirmed, let's pull up the price chart. Go to deckscreener.com and pick any random coin for now. Let it fully load first. Then hop into Launch Tool, copy your token's contract address, and replace the one in the Deck Screener URL with yours. Hit Enter. Boom, our chart is up and running. You'll probably notice some early buys, but yeah, they're just bot activity for now. Don't even worry about that part right now. Let's just give it a moment and see when the first order hits. Boom, there it is. First one just came through and we barely waited a few minutes. That one was worth $48, which is exactly 0.34 sol. I'm still going to hang around a bit to see what else drops. And look at that. Second order landed, worth 0.51 sol. Now keep an eye up here. Liquidity's sitting at $423 and market cap is $346. But I've got a feeling those numbers will go up soon. That's looking great. And just so you know, you don't need any marketing for this at all. This method is fully repeatable. I told you already, it's unreal. While we're waiting, checking the chart figures just crossed my mind. Wow, that's just crazy. Not gonna lie. Wait. In the middle of the speech, we just got face slapped with a buy. Its freaking value is $87, which immediately translates to a clean 0.61 sol. Bros, this is getting out of hand, for real. But the thing is, waiting a bit more definitely won't hurt. I've been waiting for 4 minutes already, as you can see, but these sell orders clearly indicate that I'm absolutely going to rug this coin very soon. Wait, hold up. We just got our fourth buy order already. That one's worth almost $100, or 0.7 sol. Wild stuff. Look at these numbers now. Market cap and liquidity have gone way up. We started with $340 market cap and $420 in liquidity, I'm pretty sure, and the coin's barely been live for 30 minutes. These gains are nuts. I'm happy with that, so it's time to grab my easy profits. Hey guys, I just noticed these changes happening, so I wanted to let you know. Right now, liquidity is sitting at $874 and the market cap is at $1.4 thousand, cleaner than a dish. Alright, let me show you the steps for real this time. Here's how. Go to Radium, connect your wallet, and hit the standard button down below. Then click the minus icon right here. Drag the slider all the way to 100%. The only thing that matters here is the Solana amount. That's what you'll be pulling out. Click Remove Liquidity. Confirm it as usual. And of course, just wait a little bit so it can load fully. And boom, you'll get the Remove Liquidity confirmed message. And just like that, profit secured. Man, this is my favorite part right here. Just open up your Phantom wallet and enjoy the view. I threw in around $200 and walked away with a wild 2x profit. Quick note, this is super important. I'm not linked to Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium at all. This whole video was just for educational reasons. The method is unreal, but there's no guarantee it'll stay like this forever. So if you're thinking of trying it, now's your window.